Hey everyone, this is the Belore channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer your iPhone storage, apps, photos, everything to iCloud. Go to Settings and search for iCloud. Open iCloud and here you'll find the backup option. Just go in and select everything you want, save to iCloud, whatever you need. There you go. Now for photos. This is easy too. Go to General, tap iPhone Storage, then Photos, and enable synchronization. To transfer files, open files, select the ones you need, and tap Move. Then tap back. Tap back again, and select iCloud Drive. Perfect. And tap Copy. That's it. This is Belore. See you all later.